The enigma of deviation. Outer reflections of inner darkness. Stepping onto the wrong path. There's no escaping it, no matter how many excuses we conjure up. It's merely the outer reflection of the darkest corners of our inner world. It's not external coercion but internal dissent. Don't always seek external reasons to justify deviation. That's just an excuse for our own bewilderment. No external justification can conceal the inner darkness. Deviation is the manifestation of the loss of control within our inner world. The projection of the degradation of our thoughts onto our actions. Entering the wrong path is not a forced choice, it's an internal departure. Don't shift responsibility onto the environment, that's just evasion. Regardless of how stormy the external conditions may be, it is only when our inner balance is disturbed that we truly embark on the irreversible journey. Breaking free from the fog of deviation requires a profound examination of our inner selves. No external force can hinder the clarity within. Don't blame the darkness on external factors, instead, use resolute willpower to illuminate the lighthouse within, guiding yourself out of deviation and back onto the right path.